guys, we have a nice Ford truck. It is 250, has a lot of upgrades. So what do you did to this car? Like,
So
what do you have?
obviously I put new shocks in there. Don't mind, it's all dirty and stuff, but I put new shocks, new springs. It's all powder coated. I put the bigger wheels on it.
Nice. What size those?
So those
wheels?
are 24s, 24 by 12s with 33-inch tires.
It's 250
Yep.
diesel, right?
Yes.
You got the signal with the mirror.
I put all the white cab lights on it.
It's all LEDs, right?
Yeah, this is all painted, all matched. Same with the rain guards.
All right.
And then I put the back rack on it with all these extra lights in here.
Nice, looks nice.
I got the traction bar in the back. That's to keep the frame stable with the rear axle stable with the frame of the truck, so it doesn't shift.
Nice, looks nice.
So this is obviously a diesel truck. It's completely emissions free. There's no emissions in it, so it's got like 650 horsepower in it.
Oh, nice. How many cylinders again?
8.
A diesel, right?
Yeah. And then I put the new one
What
on
size those tires are?
They're 33s.
All right, 33s.
Yeah, and then
All
I
right.
put the big one on the front.
It has a hood scoop on it?
Oh yeah, in the front.
Oh, okay. So those guys
Yeah, it goes
is
in the back.
different.
It's called a
It's
cowl
different. It's got what it's called?
Cowl hood.
Okay, this is the cowl hood. It's called different. This
Yep.
is not like my truck on it.
Yeah, so
It's
I got all
completely
that
different.
painted. I'm thinking about doing all this stuff. I'll paint that stuff and whatnot.
It's nice.
I got it completely murdered out with tint, so
It's a nice truck.
30% tint on the whole windshield, 5% all around the sides and stuff like that.
Nice, cool truck.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
nice. What year is it?
2020.
Oh, it's nice. Looks nice.
Thank you.
I like the one you had like over there on the top
Yeah.
of the windows.
Yep.
Looks different.
Yeah.
Completely. It's nice. Thank you very much for your
Appreciate
time.
it.
Okay, guys, if you have any question, please comment below. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Have a great night.